What's up, you guys? I got 5 different exercises teaching you how to strengthen your pelvic floor. The muscles, tendons, and ligaments, kind of forming a hammock right here, holding up your uterus, your bladder, or helping to hold up your uterus, your bladder, rectum, vaginal area. All so that those organs can function properly, you need to have a strong pelvic floor. And this area sometimes weakens due to childbearing. One to many kids can cause those muscles to weaken. Hysterectomies, inactivity. So if you're not doing anything all throughout the day, just sitting most of the time, this area is getting weak, ladies. So you got to get up and move. You got to exercise. There's several things. Even sports, high impact sports, can cause these muscles to just weaken. So the good news is that you can strengthen them. You can make it better. And that's what we're going to do today. So 5 different moves. We're going to start off on the mat, and then we're going to hit a wall sit. That's the final one. So these are easy moves, things that you can do. It takes 2-3 minutes. The key is if you are consistent with them and you actually do them, then you can make a difference in how your body is feeling and what it's doing. It's doing something for you. It's protecting you, keeping your organs healthy, allowing them to function properly. So typically it takes maybe 4 to 6 weeks before some people see improvements, and some people as much as 3 months. But if you do them, just get started today, you can see your improvements quickly. All right? So the first one, you're on your back, laying flat, 90-degree angle with these legs. All right? And you're going to toe tap. Maintain the 90 degrees with the knee, toe tap, bring it up. That's one move. All right? The back is flat on the mat. You don't want to have an arch, okay? The next move, tabletop again. 90-degree angle with those legs and straddle open. Bring it together, close. Straddle, close. Feel the muscles contracting right here. And open, close, open, close. All right? Now, we got one more. We're on our back. Feet are extended out, arms over your head. Bring those knees in and curl, okay? Bring those shoulders up. Nice. And just do about 5 to 10 of each of those moves. Whatever works for you in your fitness level. This is number 3. All right. Now let's rock it on up. Believe it or not, cat-cow also works to strengthen these muscles. You can call them cat-cow or round the back and then arch, but you're on all fours. Knees are about shoulder width apart. Tuck the hips. Contract the abdominal muscles. Exhale, and then inhale. So stretch. So exhale, and inhale. Good. One more. Nice job. And on the last one, if you don't feel like hitting the mat, you can use the wall. Find a nice flat wall. Bring yourself down like you're sitting in a chair. Back flat against the wall. Hold those arms out in front. And just hold that position for about 30 seconds. Then you come up, give yourself 15 seconds rest. Do it again. As you press along the wall, you're contracting these muscles again, okay? Keeping everything nice and tight. All right. That's it. I hope it helps. Strengthen that pelvic floor, ladies. I don't want you saying, oh, I can't jog because I keep having to use the bathroom. All right? So do it. Get yourself strong. Love you. So there you have it. 5 different exercises that you can do to keep yourself strong in that entire pelvic floor region. Get moving. What's up, ladies? Today I got 5 different exercises that I want to show you that will help you to strengthen your pelvic floor. Let's go.